I honestly believe passive income can only be made by buying assets from money that has been earned very, very actively. I hate getting asked about passive income. Honestly, it must be one of the most annoying questions that anyone can ask me, because I always feel that the question is coming from a place of laziness. It's almost akin to me to a kind of a get-rich-quick question. I honestly almost don't believe passive income exists. So, well, obviously passive income exists, but passive income in the way the question is asked by most people, to me, doesn't exist. I believe that passive income is income earned passively by buying assets with money that was earned actively. So what I mean by that is, maybe if you own a piece of investment property, or if you own bonds, or some other income producing assets, something that generates cash flow, generates an income, generates a yield, maybe that's an investment in a business. And obviously any of these things are earning you money while you sleep. I mean, again, that's another kind of buzzword that, I'm making money while I sleep. Normally, the people asking the question, or the people sprouting about this kind of stuff online, are trying to sell someone a dream whereby if they buy this product, they will earn passive income by never having to have made any effort or learnt anything or done anything, and they're just going to wake up to a magic money tree at the end of the bed. Any of you guys who follow me for a while will know that, for me, that kind of stuff is absolute bollocks. I love to talk about making money. I love to give my ideas and strategies of how I make money. But ultimately, it comes down to hard work, to creative ideas, to partnerships, to building businesses, to taking risk and to implementing things. I cannot give you a get-rich-quick passive income strategy because it doesn't exist. But if you apply the techniques I talk about, or the business strategies that many, many other people can teach you about or implement, and you make money from that, money that you can then invest in something, that will be how you make your passive income. That will be the money that you earn while you're sleeping, the money that you've got in retirement. But I honestly believe passive income can only be made by buying assets from money that has been earned very, very actively. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the 5-Minute Business School. If you have, press like. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, please make sure you do, and leave a comment, leave a review, share, and tell your friends all about it.